Hey guys, welcome back. We're making some Takis Fuego Pickles. Let's get started. You're gonna need your favorite type of pickles. Mine's is dill, so I'm using this one. We're gonna go ahead and cut it in half. I wanna take a bite out of it already. Go ahead and get your little knife. We're gonna take off the center of the pickle. I found it easier doing it this way.
Before we continue, I just want to encourage you guys to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps out our channel. Please and thank you.
Alright, let's do the other half. I don't know about you guys, but I have always enjoyed this chamoy pickle since I was little. They are delicious. Scoop everything out. Up next, get your chamoy. This Alamo brand one is really good. Definitely one of my favorites. I'm using this one. We're just gonna use a little bit. No need to over pour. Go ahead and pour some inside the pickle. Make sure it gets all over the walls. Let's do the other one. Careful not to get it everywhere. Go ahead and grab you 2 limes, cut them, and we're gonna use the juice. We're gonna set it aside for now. Alright, now for the Takis. Woo! These smell delicious. We're just gonna lean a little bit. You can crush them up in a bowl. Or you can put them in a blender. I found it easier in the blender. Did you see that? That was almost instantaneously. Yeah. We want it all crushed up like this. Next, we're gonna stuff our pickles with the Takis. Jam them in there.
Just do it!
Let's dip these in lime juice. You sabe? Oh, no sabe. It makes it easier when you tilt the glass. Make sure you get it all over it. It makes the next step easier. Go ahead and dip them into the crushed Takis. Cover these puppies. Now will you look at that? I have some crushed Taki left over. I'm gonna pour it on top. Last but not least, let's pour the rest of the chamoy on there. time for the taste test. This is good. You may not be able to see it, but it's filled up with chamoy inside. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.
Better